Hi, my good friends. It's your favorite CEO coming at you from Southern California, and I wanted to just showcase how I do it. Less is more, less indicators, and more big data pictures. So here, I'm just seeing everything that's up the most since I've been watching this window. Um, then what I do is I put my orders in, just kind of where I feel the orders should go. Okay. And I trust the process. That's really what I'm doing. You gotta trust it. Okay, like these pullbacks, I'm gonna bring that in right at this level, executed, adjust my stop. Okay, this is a simple path. Notice here I can see the monthly chart, so I know the bigger picture um, as soon as I'm into it. Here, what I'll do is instead of buying, oh, wow, I'm gonna buy it a little, okay, it executed me, yeah. I was trying to move, and sometimes that happens. I didn't count on that the right way, but that takes place. I'm gonna move my stop a little bit higher, but always trading it with the same methodology. I have got my stops in, um, and just ready. Always two and one. I never not have a stop in. It's always in here, so I'm always protected. Big picture, little picture. So I can always see, okay, I'm going to be getting the rebound if I do this. And some of them, what I do is I like for them to come back to me. So I don't need to chase this. I'd rather see it kind of almost break out to new highs because there's a lot. That means the demand is strong. So that is my approach. That's how I work the game. Here, another very big decline on the monthly, and what I can do is I can just bracket it right there. Okay, pretty easy to do. Sometimes I use the 5, sometimes I use the 15 minute. 15 minute is really more my preferential, but I sometimes like to take kind of a more condensed view. And once again, big advantage of having big picture, little picture instantly in your mind. Okay, we'll see, like this one, it had started to rebound. Incredible volatility, Chinese company. I'm not going to get involved with that right now, but just always on the lookout. And this view right here, right? The reason I'm seeing these halted, the reason I'm seeing these is because I'm watching the software in a way where I'm being presented with the strongest movers, but also I can see how they are competing with the other things that are in that same behavioral framework. So all of these stocks are kind of doing the same. This is 15 minutes, but this is all a little bit shorter time frame potentially in terms of what it's doing. So you see these like kind of green candles. It's just a percentage race, right? What is going up more percent than something else? That's it. And there's a reason why, not all stocks are, oh, look at this one. Earnings in 2 days. Do you like that? Just easy to see. And again, you understand the longer term. You're trying to get a turnaround play. Turnaround plays when they're successful, and it's not easy to do because you can see it fail, fail, fail. But if you have your risk protectors in there, you try a lot of these out, then the ones that succeed, they do 10x. That's the stuff they don't teach you about in technical analysis school. Lots of trial and error, very similar to poker, folding your hand. That's not a weakness, that's strategy. So again, to me, I just try lots of different things out, and always with my risk stop is in. Talk to you soon, everyone. Hope you're having a great Monday.